This is the most terrifying creature I've ever seen. It defies the natural order of reproduction, trying to give birth through live birth to the ultimate warrior. The queen possesses an ability to conceive by consuming. Each creature she eats grants her its genes, which she then passes to her offspring. She only lays 5 eggs at a time. Through genetic recombination, they hatch into soldier and worker ants with combat traits. Once they mature, she no longer needs to hunt. Her army gathers all the food. This time, the Chimera ant scouts discovered 2 human children. The boy tried to protect his sister, but was quickly killed. Humans were a species the ants had never captured before. The queen took one taste of human flesh, and became utterly obsessed. And after absorbing human DNA for the first time, she gave birth to the first ant capable of speech. She named him Colt, and put him in charge of the ant troops. Her first command, capture more humans. Human DNA was essential to create her ultimate warrior. Colt quickly led his forces to a human village. Against such creatures, humans stood little chance. As the number of soldier ants grew, a small hill began to rise on the plains. The work of builder ants. A 2-meter-long builder ant could spit 3 pounds of adhesive per second. They could complete a castle in half a day. The ants captured humans relentlessly. Slowly, humans began to fight back. One day, special forces appeared in the village. Armed and charging, they gunned down unsuspecting ants in seconds. Only an old turtle ant escaped alive. It was their first defeat. The queen convened her first war council. She demanded 50 humans per day as food, and announced she would enter a long hibernation. The old turtle requested a name and a proper rank. The queen agreed, but she never expected these creatures could offer advice and see themselves as unique individuals. She looked forward to the birth of her ultimate warrior. The 3 eggs about to hatch would become her strongest champions. Outside, with experience from the last battle, the higher Chimera ants no longer feared ordinary guns. They could now slaughter humans with ease. When a team of monster hunters arrived, and saw the piles of bodies, they wondered what creature could leave such sharp claw marks. Then 3 adult Chimera ants appeared. The captain's first instinct was to flee. He'd never seen mutants so large. He drew his bow and fired a red energy arrow, killing one ant instantly. But he knew they couldn't stay and fight. Ants were swarm creatures. If the main force arrived, his whole team would become food. Just as they escaped, they encountered another massive monster battalion. This was beyond their hunting grade. They needed stronger hunters to face this threat. Before he finished speaking, the frontmost hunter was killed. They'd been spotted. The captain used his ability to take down one ant, but then the enemy commander appeared. A high-level Chimera ant. It easily blocked his fastest orange energy sword, and detected the life force surrounding the hunter. Though it didn't fully understand this energy, if it could see it, it could dodge it. In an instant, another hunter was wrapped in spider silk, and became the enemy's next meal. The captain tried to save his comrade, but though his strikes landed, they caused no real damage. He prepared to use his ultimate move, but before he could, another Chimera ant knocked him unconscious.